Crazy times we're living in. I literally feel like I've just walked out of Call the Midwife or something. What's your opinion on influencers normalising plastic surgery / fillers, etc.? This is so difficult. Hello everyone, happy Monday. I hope your Monday has treated you well and I hope that you're in for a good week this week. But for right now I'm just going to head to Asda, so I've literally just thrown this top on. I like it though, it's cute. It's got this like little scallop neckline. It's from Topshop. So you might have seen that I uploaded a what I eat in a day model edition. I am not a model. I'm just going to follow a model's diet for a day. However, most of the things in her video I do not own. So I'm going to pop to Asda now. I'm really out of breath just from talking. Am I actually alright? For anyone who's new to my channel, look how extra my car keys are. I'm such a Fiat 500 girl, it's hilarious. But this key cover was very kindly gifted to me by a company called Crystallize on Instagram. I'll link them in the description down below. I actually love it so much. My car keys are just me in a nutshell. That was a very peaceful, undramatic drive. Nothing went wrong. See, I'm actually a good driver. It's just when people are in the car with me, things start to go wrong. Someone please tell me how it's taken me 45 minutes to do a £20 shop. I am the worst. To be fair though, it's all things that like, I don't know where they are, like ginger and mint leaves and stuff like that. So, but anyway, there was a couple of things that I couldn't get, so I'm gonna head to another shop now and get those. But I feel exhausted. How do mums do this every day? So my lovely fine fellow friends, I'm now back. I've done my food shop. It was a little bit of a catastrophe, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, what is that? Can you see that thing that's floating around? Oh my god, you can see it. Okay, I'm just gonna back away from that, pretend that's not there. Whoa, that's a fun time. We love a party. Come on, hand, zoom out. I'm going to put all this food away now and then I'm going to get ready tonight because I'm actually seeing George Ezra tonight. I'm so excited. I can't believe I haven't mentioned that in the vlog yet. And how weird is this, right? So in last week's vlog, I went to see Post Malone. I booked the George Ezra tickets months before I booked Post Malone. I looked at our tickets yesterday for George Ezra. We're in the exact same block, in the exact same row that I sat for Post Malone last week. Crazy times we're living in. It's now about 5:30 and we are just about to head off to go and get the train. Luckily, we only live literally an hour from the O2, so we've got plenty of time. We're in our seats now, waiting for George Ezra to come out. I have friends who are in this audience standing, and me and Mum are just sat here trying to find them. It's like a game of Where's Wally? Update, we found them. Good morning! Wow, I'm such an irritating human sometimes. Today is Wednesday. George Ezra last night was amazing, as per usual. Oh, I've got my breakfast in my teeth. I can feel it. Where are you, hun? There's the culprit. But yeah, George Ezra, so good. We had a bit of a nightmare with the trains though on the way back because our train was cancelled. Love that. So we were kind of like stuck in London. So instead we went to a different station and got a taxi home, but it ended up costing us an extra £40, which is so annoying. Today I am filming a 24-hour challenge. So I am following a model's what I eat in a day video. I've had breakfast and I've had her version of a cup of tea so far, and mate, I'm still a bit peckish, I'm not gonna lie, and a cup of tea was just not the one. It was not a cuppa. But hopefully you will have already seen that video. That went up last week, so I will link that down in the description below. Go and check it out. So far I'm really enjoying filming it. It's 4:15 now. I've been filming this video all day, so I've not really like picked up my vlog camera. Well, I have, but not to vlog. I'm about to head out with my mum now. She needs some help taking a parcel somewhere or something. I don't really know. I literally feel like I've just walked out of Call the Midwife or something. I feel like I look so posh today. Call the Midwife, Downton Abbey, those kind of vibes. But anyway, hello guys. Today is Friday. Woo! I've just created this makeup look. I'm actually really pleased with it. So I went for like a sunset eye look. I used this palette. This is from Beauty Bay. This is the Identity palette. Used a few shades from that and I really like this eye look. And then I used 2 of the L'Oreal Rouge Signature collection. So I used the shade I Am Worth It on like my outer lips. And then I used the shade I Achieve on my inner lips. It's kind of like this, you know. And I also put a little bit of white eyeshadow just in the middle of my lips because I thought that would like brighten it up a little bit. I really like this look though, it's very extra. I've just taken a few Instagram pictures of it, but I'm just really loving experimenting with makeup at the minute, especially eyeshadow, because I've never stepped out of my comfort zone. I always go for a little neutral brown smoky eye. And I thought, you know what, Han, push the boat out. I think it's now that I've got this lip collection, I have loads of lipsticks to match whatever eye look I do. So thank you very much to L'Oreal for sending me these. I'm so grateful for them. The plan for today is Instagram. I'm going to take a few Insta pics. I'm loving Instagram right now. You guys seem to be loving my Insta too. I'm doing some more fashiony kind of posts. I am going to post this makeup look. I'm not a makeup account. Don't think I'm hopping on that bandwagon. But if I do a look that I'm really proud of, I want to share it. I'm absolutely starving Marvin. I need to get me some lunch because I'm going to be hangry and that ain't a happy sight or a happy hand. Good morning everyone. Yesterday I was so rubbish at vlogging. I can't even remember what I did yesterday. It was a busy day anyway. I forgot to pick up my camera. I don't know what's happened to me this week. I just can't really get into the flow of vlogging. I don't know why, but I think today I'm going to put up on my Instagram story asking you guys for some questions, so I'll answer those in this vlog for you, just because I feel like I've really lacked and I'm very sorry about that. This week has been very full of filming and today is another day of filming. I'm very excited to film this video. It will be going up on Thursday, so I can't tell you guys what it is just yet, but I will give you a little sneak peek right now. I've got my lights and my camera all set up and ready to go. Oh my god, I have so many clothes hanging up in the background. There may or may not be a haul coming very, very soon. I've got a couple of bits here ready to film today. And then all of this down here is also ready for me to film with. Let's have a productive day. So I'm going to go and have something to eat now. I've got some southern fried chicken cooking in the oven currently. And I'm going to have, I think that with some lettuce, bit of mayo in a roll. Oh my god, it's like a McChicken sandwich. A homemade one. This is a little sneak peek of our bathroom, but I think I'm going to film a bathroom transformation, so that's all you're getting. The creme de la creme of lunchtime. These look delish. If you don't agree, well, you're just wrong. Right, I'm fully aware that I've got makeup all around my eyes because I've taken off my eyeshadow, but none of the rest of my face. So that was a good life choice by me, but please excuse that in the next clip. Just watched it back and it's really annoying. Just gonna pretend that's not grating on my soul. Good evening everyone. Do you know what, when I have just eyelashes on, it makes me want eyelash extensions. But I'm so scared to get eyelash extensions, it's unreal. I was just packing away everything from filming today because whenever you film you make such a mess. And then I got bored of packing away, so I've just abandoned it. But this evening I have asked you guys on Instagram for some questions, like I said I was going to earlier, because this girl doesn't break her promises. Wow, my hand looks huge in this angle. If you got a dog, what breed would it be and what would you call it? Love ya, love you too. I really like sausage dogs. I think they are so cute, but I think my favourite breed is a Cavapoo. So it's kind of like a Cockapoo but smaller, basically. That's it in a nutshell. And I really like the name Olive for a dog. I just think it's cute, like Olive. Olive. I can imagine calling that in the park and then when it don't come back like Olive. It works both ways. Where do you want to travel to? So I'm really lucky that this year I'm actually travelling quite a lot. Well, for like a normal influencer, this is not a lot of travelling at all, but for me this is quite a lot of travelling. So in May I'm going to Egypt and in October I'm going to Morocco. I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna ride a camel. And then I think for my birthday I'm gonna be in Italy. I can't remember where in Italy. Let me have a look on Google Maps, see if it can jog the mem. Naples, that's the one. And then literally like the day after I get back from Naples, I'm going to Portugal. Very excited for that. I'm going with Molly and Eve. You guys probably know Eve Bennett, Molly Beauty Spectrum. Okay, this is interesting. Someone says, what's your opinion on influencers normalising plastic surgery / fillers, etc.? This is so difficult. The reason I find this difficult is because I think, in my opinion, I think if you're not happy with something and you want to change it, go ahead, that's fine. Like for me, there's a couple of things that I would like to get done one day. I'm just too scared to get it done right now. But I know that if I did get it done and I was really happy with the result, I would want to share it with everyone. So I can see why people post what surgeries they've had, because if you're happy with yourself, obviously, everyone should love themselves. And if you want to post pictures of yourself because you love your new face or your new body, go ahead, do you know what I mean? However, I can definitely see it from the other perspective as well, because I find myself comparing myself to these girls every single day. Sometimes I'll scroll down my Instagram and literally be like, This is why I hate the way I look. So in some ways I think, yeah, go ahead. If you're happy with the way you look, post pictures. But on the other hand, I can really see how damaging it is to young girls these days. I just don't know what the solution is, unfortunately. Someone says, what do you think happened to Madeliene McCann? So I've just watched a documentary. For a little while in the documentary, I was convinced that the parents had accidentally killed her. However, now I don't think they did kill her, and I think she's still alive, which is what I thought before I watched the documentary. But now I'm like certain. She might be married now. I watched a documentary once, I can't remember the girl's name, but she was like held hostage in a basement for years and years and years, and she had like 3 kids. I feel like that's probably what's happened to Madeliene McCann, because even if now she doesn't know that she was ever Madeliene McCann, someone would have recognised her. If she's out and about walking around, no matter where she is in the world, you know, like a tourist or someone working in a shop, it would just be too risky for her to be walking around. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you all think has happened to Madeliene McCann? But obviously be respectful, because like, she's still missing. And the final question, let's end on a positive one, is what do you love most about your job? The thing I love most is that I get to be creative with it. I really enjoy the editing process of adding like all the little funny bits, because you can literally change a video from being like quite serious, like if I'm not feeling filming that day, and you can tell in the video, I know that I can change it and I'll make the video look different. I feel like my creativity spark has come back. Says me doing a Q&A in a weekly vlog. Good morning everyone. Today is Sunday. It's a really lovely day today. I've just been outside. I've been out and taken some pictures with my mum. My hair looks an absolute mess. It's the first time I've straightened it for ages, and I actually don't like it anymore. Now that I've been curling my hair more often, it just looks so much nicer, I think. But anyway, gone for a little pink on my eyes today. I think it looks quite cute. I've got some glitter on. But we're about to head to Chelmsford. Shock, we go to Chelmsford like every single week. But we have a good reason. Today we are looking for bathroom towels. My outfit is super casual today. My jeans are from, these are Primark. I love these jeans. They're like super cute and springy. I've got this plain white sweatshirt on from New Look. My jacket is from Pretty Little Thing. I'm going to pop my trainers on, and my bag is from Coach. We've just come to Nando's. I've gone for a medium chicken wrap and coleslaw, and these sweet potato wedgies. I've never had them before. I'm intrigued. I like sweet potato fries, but these look a bit soggy. We've just spent ages deciding between these 2 coloured towels for the bathroom, and we decided after that time we're going to get one of each, take them home and test them. Then whichever one we like the least will go in the downstairs toilet. So quite an unproductive towel session actually, because we still haven't decided, and now we've just got 2 hand towels instead of the entire bathroom set. But at least we're not going to waste it. But we just found all these little gadgets. Is that what you put your soap in?
Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
Oh, look at that flexible toilet brush. Hello my friends, it is Sunday evening. I've got all this mess that needs tidying up behind me, so that's fun. I'm about to do that, and then I'm going to crack on and take a really cute Instagram picture of this new pyjama set that I got. Let me show you it quickly. Oh my god, it's the cutest thing ever. I thought this would be perfect for when I go on holiday. These are from Misguided, by the way. The shorts look like this. They've got little frills around them. How cute are they? And then the top is matching. It's like a little t-shirt, and it's also got the frills around it, and then it's got a little tie at the front, so you can like put a little knot in it. I just thought that was the cutest set ever. I love the colour of it as well. So I want to take a cute little picture in this tonight, because as I said, I've been really wanting to work on my Instagram recently, and I've been doing different makeup looks and like putting together different outfits, which I'm really enjoying sharing that side of my life with, because it's a side that I don't tend to share online, because I feel a bit intimidated by other people on Instagram. I feel like people are going to look at my outfits and be like, nothing special about that. But I just thought recently, do you know what? I like the outfits. Someone out there is bound to also like it, so why not? However, on the other hand, I also want to show a more real side of my life on Instagram. I'm going to take my makeup off, I'm going to put my jammies on, and then I'm going to make it look cute around me. I myself am probably not going to look that cute, but I think that's important to show that on Instagram as well, because I have a lot of young girls that follow me. But anyway guys, I've got the Insta. Sorry for the dodgy lighting right now. Oh my god, I've still got glitter on my face. I'm taking my makeup off and I'm still covered in glitter from my eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm gonna go and have a bath now, have dinner. We're having steak and chips tonight. Very excited about it. There's an episode of Blue Planet on tonight. Living my best life, I tell you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. Let me know in the comments down below, what's the best thing that happened to you last week? I would love to know. Do subscribe to see my future videos. I have a really fun video coming on Thursday. I'm so excited for you to see it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye!